Hey guys, welcome to another video. So this is another short video where I show you one of the faults, a serious fault that a learner driver has made in one of the previous mock driving tests, which I upload weekly, and then I'll demonstrate exactly what the learner should have done. So yeah, this one quite an interesting one. So the learner was on a one-way street and I asked her to turn right, and she did turn right, but she used the wrong lane. She didn't see the markings on the floor. So yeah, check out this fault, and then yeah, I'll demonstrate exactly what she should have done in that situation. After this turn, we enter a one-way street on which Gracious makes another serious driving fault. And at the traffic lights, turn right please. This bird now gets very close to hitting our windscreen, which is definitely a serious driving fault. I'm just messing, guys. I've asked Gracious to turn right, so she should have noticed the markings and selected the right-hand lane. She selects the wrong lane. If you're in the wrong lane, then it's okay to go the wrong way, but Gracious turns right from the left lane. This was quite dangerous, as you'll notice a vehicle does overtake us in the right-hand lane. So that was the fault. Now let me show you what to do if you do find yourself in that situation. Okay, so now we're coming up to the same road. We'll be turning right here. So I'll check my centre mirror, right mirror, signalling right, positioning over to the right, and it's safe to go, so I can enter the road. And as we enter the road, we can see this one-way sign, which is to be fair, not that visible. And this is where I asked the learner to turn right. So what she did was she did a mirrors and signal to the right, and she didn't notice the markings. As you can see, she should have selected the right hand lane. So she was in this lane. I think there was a vehicle in front of us, and she still had the right signal on, and she turned right from this lane, from this situation here. But what she should have done is, if you do find yourself in the wrong lane, obviously the learner didn't realize she was in the wrong lane, yeah, so that's why she turned right from this lane. If you do realize you're in the wrong lane, just cancel the signal, and all we're going to do now is, obviously when the lights turn green, is continue straight ahead. And for those of you who are regular viewers, you know that I've said before in the mock test, when people do make a mistake in using the wrong lane, is that going the wrong way isn't a driving fault. So don't be afraid to go the wrong way. The examiner will reroute. Oh, so we have someone next to us who's actually on their test. The way we can tell that someone's on the test, the person sitting next to them is wearing a high vis, which means they are an examiner. So yeah, this is all the learner should have done. And now from here, if she was on a real test, the examiner would just obviously change the route. They had no choice. They'll have no choice to change the route, and just give them directions on where to turn next. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's what to do if you find yourself in the wrong lane. Just go the wrong way. And like always, guys, if you found that useful, please drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.